Hello everyone, so this is part 5 for Python courses basics. So first the code. Now I have added some random string here. First we will display the string. Then we will see clear to end of line function. Then delete ch function, delete ln function. Then we'll fetch the upper left coordinates. Then we'll read a character from user using getch that returns an ASCII number. So first we'll print the ASCII number and then the character. Then we'll use getKey, which directly takes input and output as character itself. Then we will check the maximum size of the window. We will read a string from the user using getStr, and we will check the character at a given position using screen.in.ch, and we will try to add a character at that position using int.ch, that is insert character. So I will show you the output. This is part 5. So this is the random text. Now we will clear from 013 to end of line. It's cleared. Next we delete the character at 440. The I gets deleted over here. We'll delete line 2. The line is deleted. The upper left coordinates are 0, 0. We'll read a character from user. So I am entering the character I. As you can see, it read it in ASCII number. And from getKey, I'll enter S, and it will I'll output it as S. The maximum size of the window. We now read a string from user. So this is what it reads. The character at 2, 10 is W. Over here. So it added the X, and that's the output. So the functions that we saw in this article are clear to end of line, delete ch, delete ln, get beginning yx, get character, get key, get max yx, get string, in ch, insert ch, add string, refresh, init screen, map for milliseconds, and end window. I'll show you the output once more for clarity. The I got deleted. Line 2, the book line will get deleted. There it is. The upper left coordinates. We'll read a character from the user using getKey. The maximum size of window. A string from the user. The character at 2, 10 over here, that is. X is inserted now. Yeah. So that's all for this video. Do check out the article link below. Thank you.